Because we have two potential areas that we're talking about. The first, obviously, this is Tropical Storm Franklin, pretty close right now to Mexico. But we're also still going to keep a close eye on Invest 99L. Now, we want to emphasize, at least at this point, not much active with that particular storm. So the focus begins on Tropical Storm Franklin. Again, right now, winds about 50 miles per hour, moving west-northwest at about 13 miles per hour. So again, a pretty decent clip. The unfortunate part of that is it doesn't give a lot of these areas around Honduras, Belize, even into Mexico, much time to prepare. The good news is, at least at this point, it is only expected to stay a tropical storm. So we're not expecting this to have too much time to intensify rapidly over the coming days. Most likely, it's probably going to top out about 65 miles per hour at its best. That will be right again before it makes landfall early Tuesday morning. Then it is expected to go back out over open water. Again, it might intensify a little bit there, but there's not much room to do so. So it's not going to have much time to intensify very quickly, or to that point, very strong. Here's a look. We do have tropical storm warnings. You can see here outlined in red, and a tropical storm watch along the backside over near Campeche. Again, here is a look at where we have the potential for a hurricane watch. This just means that because we're going to be awfully close to that portion around 70, 75 mile per hour winds, that there is the potential we could get up that close. So that's why they have the hurricane watch, again, just for a very small portion of Mexico's coast. Now, here on Mexico's coast, here is a look at the other system. This is Invest 99L. In the short term, this isn't really expected to do all that much. It's going to encounter a very hostile environment around it, so it doesn't really have much chance to develop more. At this point, that's why it only has a 20% chance of really turning into much in the short term. However, we will still keep an eye on it, because about 5 days from now, this is the location of where it would be, and potentially has the ability to maybe perhaps turn into something at that point. Now we are